Marvel new season has started, and in case you're wondering how you can level up and how you can grind up against all the sweats that are playing the game all the day, here are 5 tips for you which are going to help you to improve your gameplay. First off, we have Magneto, and what's more special about him is his ult. His ult, it basically absorbs all the homing projectile, and it can be useful in the following case. So when Iron Man wants to ult, you can just grab it and boom, that's it. So don't ever let Iron Man do this to you ever again. He has AoE absorption. It basically can take all the attack around it. Now, next further, we're going to move on other hero, which is the new one, which is Suzan. And basically what I'm going to show you, it's how her shield can protect from incoming ultimates. I will protect this bot from the ult. So basically this goes against every incoming ult, Namor's, Whale, Iron Man's or whatsoever. Next time, just keep that in mind and protect your team. Even though it wasn't in front of it, it worked because it overall protects it, even though it was side by side. Now moving further, we have tip for Punisher, which is probably one of the meta picks in this patch. One cool thing about Punisher is the fact that if he goes into turret mode, he's immune to CC. So that means he cannot be taken by Jeff's ultimate, he cannot be grabbed by Groot, and look at this. So this is around me. I'm not getting bite or anything. It's so stupid, but don't forget about it because it works. And it also works against other heroes like Groot, whatever. Oh god. And I got clipped by my friend. Okay, next up on the list we have other interesting thing for one of the duelists that is famous in this meta, which is Storm. So while she ults, she can be bubbled, can be also healed. Unlike Hela, unlike other champions when they are in a state and you cannot do anything to them. This is why this is useful, because when she is low HP and everybody's focusing on her, you can actually get some ult charge from it. But in my case, I'm going to use Magneto. And when Storm is going to ult, I'm going to bubble her. So basically, when she finishes her ult and she gets some extra shield, you can also get some charge because she'll be vulnerable for a few seconds. And while she's vulnerable for a few seconds is the perfect opportunity to get something from it. So she's in this state, right? And after she finishes, or while she's doing it, I can absorb it with my bubble. So keep your Storm in life, especially if she's going really aggro and she's trying to go on the backline to get that juicy kills on the backline. So be a good tank and also try to help her. And now for the last hero, who is going to be Hela. She can stun enemies while doing mid animation. For example, Doctor Strange, she can stun them. And also for Scarlet Witch. So keep in mind, if there are heroes who have like a start animation, keep your E intact, which is your stun, and don't be afraid to use it.
No escape from hell.
There you go. With that being said, those are my tips for you. Hope it is going to help you guys in your rank journey. Be sure to follow and like for more content like this. Thank you.